Hi, it's Sandra here from Creating in Spain, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple animation using Procreate. All I've done here is I have made a canvas which is, as it happens, 1800 by 1800 pixels, and I am going to do a very simple animation so you can see how easy it is. Now for this I'm not even really drawing, and you're going to see how wonderful this tool can be even if you don't have much in the way of artistic talent. So I'm going to click on my brush to choose a brush stroke. Now I've got some brushes here that I have made myself, but it comes with a whole load of brushes and things that you can use, and you can download quite a few of them for free. You can usually find Procreate brushes online, and if you can't make your own or you don't want to make your own, it's not really a problem. I'm going to go back into one which I made yesterday, and I made it simply because I was doodling, that's all I was doing. And if you are interested in brush making in Procreate, I did do a tutorial a while ago and I'll do another one soon on how to make the brushes. Very easy, and again, you really don't have to have much artistic talent to do it. So I'm going to make kind of like a burst animation, and so all I'm going to do is this. So that's my first one, and if I click on the layer tab you can see I've got one layer. Now if I want to have a different background color I can change that, and usually I'll draw everything in whatever colour I want, and then I'll have some fun with the background colour afterwards. So what I'm going to do is click the plus symbol for another layer, change my colour to something completely different, and then do more of these things. All looking fun. And it's a case of just repeating this with whatever colours you fancy. Now you can do your lines from more or less the centre, which is what I've done, or you can alter it. I'm actually going to do a white layer, and what I'm going to do for this is just dashes. You won't see it at the moment because I have a white background, but that will change later on. And of course you can change the size of your brush up and down on the slider on the left. You can undo using that little backwards arrow just there if you need to. Now this time I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to go in circles. Right, now these round layers that I've got, the ones that I've done in a circle, I'm going to pick one of those and I'm going to move it somewhere else, and I'm going to scatter these randomly. I'm actually going to start off with one of those. I've got one there, one there, one there, put another one here, so I'm going to put that one at the top. Now what you have to think of when you're doing this is that it is like one of those flip books that you used to get as a kid. And I'm going to do some loops now. I have no idea what this is going to come out like, so it's going to be fun. And each time you have a different frame, something else is going to show. Each one of those layers is a page in your flip book, if you like. Now what I'm going to do is change the background colour, so I want to tap on that one, and I'm going to give it a dark colour, I think. As a background. Oh, maybe not. I think I'll go for yellow. Why not? Now you go up to the tools on the top left and you click on the spanner and you click on share, and the bottom label here says animated GIF, so you click on that and this is showing the result. Now I'll zoom in a bit. I've got that on 27 frames a second. If I slow it down, you can see that it's cycling through all the different patterns that I put on there. and depending on how fast you go as to the effect that you get. Now I'm going to put a dark background on here because I don't think you can see it too easily with this particular colour. So I will put that in, and let's go and see what we get this time. There we go, perhaps you can see that a little bit better, and I will try and zoom in. It's very difficult for the camera to focus on that, I think. But you get the idea, and if I turn it up, it goes absolutely ballistic. If I go into my gallery, here's another one that I've done, animated GIF. You can probably see this one just a little bit easier. And then if I go really, really fast, so there we are. So great fun items to add to different electronic projects. So I'll go back to the gallery just by tapping there and show you another one that I've got, which is a very bright and colourful one. And if I go to the tool, go to share, go to animated GIF, so the background pattern is still, and then I just have some lights which are part of the luminescence paintbrush system, and that makes it look like you've got fairy lights going on and off. And one of the ones that is the Bouquet Lights, or Bouquet Lights, I don't know how you pronounce this. These are absolutely fun to play with. Go for the Bouquet Lights. Wow, these are fun. I love playing with this. It's just, yeah, it's just my cup of tea. It's fun. So there we go. Have a play with it and enjoy making some animations. Don't be scared because it's really, really easy to do. And if you have the latest version of Procreate, why not give it a go?